Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up. I'm pleased to say I'm a little bit better than I was last week. I've actually managed to spend a bit of time in the workshop. That being said, this Wednesday catch-up is going to be a little bit different. It's basically going to be a Wednesday sort of giveaway catch-up. My friend Rob from Xtreme Plasma has sent us up the latest Power World quick change helmet. It really is a good bit of kit. I've had it on, I've tried it. It does exactly what a welding helmet's supposed to do. No bullshit, it just works straight out of the box. If you want to enter the competition or enter the free draw, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, which you're doing now. Share it with as many friends as you can. And obviously subscribe and get them to subscribe, because I really am trying to get to the 100,000. In the description box, you need to put a comment. The comment needs to say Xtreme Plasma Giveaway 2024. Wrote just like that. Xtreme Plasma Giveaway 2024. You never know, you might win it. I'm going to draw it probably lunchtime on New Year's Day. If you can't wait, or in case you don't win one, obviously you can go to Rob's website. There's a link in the description box. You can find one there. I'd just like to say a massive thanks to all my subscribers for watching, for helping, for subscribing. It's quite humbling, really, the sort of following that a mechanic that pisses about has actually managed to achieve. Don't forget, the Doubleboost hats are still available. You've still got time to get one for Christmas. Anyway, thanks for watching.